All right, so by the grace of God, we are here live at Electors, and we're going to setting up the sound. Let's see how it goes. I trust God to help us. We have the sub speaker here, we have the 15 inch speaker here, we have the 12 inch speaker here. And yes, for this one, we're using the digital mixer. I'm excited about that. It's the MR18 somewhere here. We have our drums here, keyboard here, and drums mic. Let's just go into it. All right, so let's start with the speaker placement first. So, all right, so we have the floor monitor. So, let me take it to the stage. What's the second one?
A keyboard stand.
Yes, keyboard stand. All right, so, sustain pedal. There are four tops, two sub. But the way the tops are, this cape is going to the front. Let's open. That hanger, let's just put this one here first. I'm supposed to hang it. This one is going to the back. No, that one too is going to the back. All right, so the KP to that place. So now,
Menu. Say Abun. We don't need much. There's no sound. Can we on this light? Let's see this side.
So guys, we just got our right sound card. It was pricey, but you know the Lord, God did. Is that? Yeah, it's worth the price according to New Mix. It's worth the price. Oh my God, such a beauty, man! Look at that. Closer.
I'm zooming.
Yeah. you.